Fifth standard students, let us start from page number 166. Rabbits in Australia. Earlier there were no rabbits in Australia. पहले ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खरगोश नहीं थे. Rabbits were not there. Rabbits were brought to Australia around the year 1780. So in the 1780, rabbits were brought to Australia. At that time there were no animals in Australia which ate rabbits. So animals were not in the Australia. They ate rabbits. Then what happened? So the rabbits began to multiply at very fast rate. So speedily the number of rabbits increased in the Australia. Imagine that they did to the crops. So they did spoil the crops because they like to eat carrot and leaves and grass. So definitely crops they spoiled. The table shows how rabbit grew every year. Now see here, start. So 10 rabbits brought, then in first year 18, then second year 32, third year 58, fourth year 108. Now fifth year we have to find the value. So how we will find the value, I am telling you. Now see here, everywhere you can see the number of rabbits are increasing just double, but little bit less than just double. See here how 10 to the 20. So 20 minus 18, 2 less than. If we will double of 10, 20 we will get, but 2 less than of 20, that means 18. So here, then 18 to the 36. So 4. Here the difference is 2, just a double of difference 2. And here when we will double of 18, we will get 36. So here the difference of doubles and this number is 4. 32 to the 64. And we will subtract 58 from 64. So we will get 58, 59, 60. That means this difference is 6. That means what you have to do, you will double of this number and subtract this number. So 32 to the 64, 64 minus 58 is 6. So here the difference is 6. So next difference, so here 2 you can see here. 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6. So here the difference will be 8. Let us check. And here 10. And here will be 12. Let us check. So 58 into 2. So 58 into 2 will be, see here, 2 8s are 16, carry over 1, 2 5s are 10, 116. 116 minus 108, 8. So we are right. Now next, 108 into 2. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2. 216. So 216 minus 10, that means the number will be 206. That 10 we will subtract because exactly double the number of rabbits are not increasing, just double. They are increasing when we do double of the number, so little bit less quantity in less number. So 6, 206. Now 206 into 2 will be 2 6 are 12 and 2 2s are 4. 412. And 412 when we will subtract from, so here will be 400. So in 6th year 400 rabbits were there. Now see, after each year the number of rabbits was a little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. Yes. Double the number in the last year? No. 8 more than the number in the last year? No. More than double the number of rabbits in the last year? No. Now at the end of year, the number of rabbits was close to 400. Okay. After which year did the number of rabbits cross 1000? So you will extend this table. 7th year also you will write. So when we will do double of 400, we will get 800, and here the difference will be definitely 14. So 800 minus 14 will be 10 minus 4 6, 9 minus 1 8, and then 7. That means in 7th year 786, and then 786. So next in the 8th year, for 8th year I am writing here, children, it is 7th year, and 8th year I am writing here, so you can extend. Okay, this question I am not going to solve on the green board, so keep this thing in your mind, you have to add. So in the 786 into 2 will be 2 6 are 12, carry over 1, 2 8s are 16, 1 17, carry over 1, 2 7s are 14, and 1 15, and difference will be here 16. So this number, from this number we will subtract 16. So 12 minus 6 6, and 6 minus 1 5. So in 8th year, in 8th year the number of rabbits were there 1556. Now the question is, after which year did the number of rabbits cross 1000? So after 7th year, you can see in the 7th year 786 rabbits were there. So after 7 years the number of rabbits crossed 1000, and from here the option A is correct. A little less than double the number of rabbits in the last year. After each year the number of rabbits was a little less than double. Already we studied. Double the number, exactly no. 8 more than, no. More than double, no. So option A is correct. Okay. Now let us understand family tree. Okay, Madhav went to a wedding along with his parents. He met many relatives there. You can see from the picture. But he didn't know everyone. He met his mother's grandfather, but found that her grandmother is not alive. His mother's grandfather. That means उसकी मम्मी के दादाजी या नाना जी और मम्मी की नानी जी या दादी जी, और वो उनमें से एक जो है वो जिंदा नहीं है, बाकी दादा या नाना है. He also found that her dadi's mother, grandmother's mother, मतलब दादी की मम्मी, is still alive and is more than 100 years old. She is very old, her age more than the 100 years. Madhav got confused. He couldn't imagine his mother's grandmother's mother. So Madhav's mother made a family tree. Now you can see. He is Madhav, Madhav's father, Madhav's mother, Shobna. Shobna's father, Shobna's mother. That means grandparents of Madhav. Then Shobna's father, Shobna's dadi, Shobna's dada. Then Shobna's nani, nana. And dadi, Shobna's dadi expired. Then Shobna's dada's father, Shobna's dada's mother. Shobna's Dadi's father, Shobna's Dadi's mother. Shobna's Nana's father, Nana's mother. Shobna Nani's father, Nani's mother. Now see here, first generation is Madhav. Second generation, mother father. Whose mother father? Madhav's mother father. Third generation, grandparents. Shobna's or fathers. Then fourth generation, great grandparents. That means Shobna's mother and Shobna's father. Then fifth generation, great great grandparents. Okay, so in this way Madhav's mother explained the relatives and the relation to the Madhav. Now tree for him. Madhav's mother helped him understand her family with the help of this drawing. You can also find out about your old generations using such a family tree. So children, you will make one family tree and you will send on my personal WhatsApp number. Now answer these questions. How many grandparents in all does Shobna have? Shobna has grandparents 1, 2, 3. And they are Madhav's great grandparents. And from great great grandparents, only one is Shobna's Dadi's mother. How many great great grandparents in all does Madhav has? Madhav have. So Madhav is having only one great great grandparents. You can see. Then after that the question is, children, we will not do third and fourth question. Okay, only you will reply 2 questions answers on the basis of family tree. Okay.